these tubes are gonna freeze. That's how I got it. There's no sound there. I had to come up with the sound of all these water and freezing. The mixer's gonna pitch me down and make this liquid sound thicker. I also use my voice a lot. I'm just gonna carve with my voice.
Okay, we're gonna play back.
Here's water, the crackling, and then my voice. I hide my voice underneath these sounds and I layer different things with my voice that are altered by my mixer. Randy. Camera. Cool. Okay. 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 Keep rolling a full playback with, this is horse, bridle, and Hecker horse snorts. We have to. You have to figure out sound, and then the whole part of what I do is watch the actor and the movements of the actor, and so I have to mimic and duplicate what the actor is doing. I've got probably 50 pairs of shoes depending on the character.
Even Jamie Foxx's breathing is recreated.
We're topping the swish with the metal zing.